I'm a first-time mom. This is baby Leah. Right now she's about 3 months plus. So when I first joined hypnobirthing classes, I was a bit skeptical because I was skeptical about the hypno part. But I realized that it was a lot around relaxation techniques, and I must say that that really helped with my birth. Because it's my first time birthing, I had an idea that birthing would be dramatic and loud and painful and stressful, and I got really scared of that, which is why I signed up for the classes. But over the course of the classes, I found that that wasn't how birthing needed to be. It could be really peaceful and profound and gentle, and I really wanted that for my birth. So when I entered the delivery ward, it was quite unexpected, but because of the preparation from the classes, I was really prepared. I went with the warrior spirit. I knew I could do this, and it came from the classes, it came from the hypnobirthing CD and listening to the affirmations, and I went in feeling really prepared. I was induced because I had pre-eclampsia, and because she was an IUGR baby, she was really small. So doctor wanted to induce me, but I wasn't panicking. I think from the relaxation techniques, I really let her do her thing. I let her birth herself. I learned to take my ego and myself out of the process so that she could do what she needed to do, and it was over really fast. She came out in just 1.5 hours of really intensive contractions, and after the whole thing, I think I felt really proud. I really felt proud. When my mom came to visit me, the first thing I said to her was, I did it without any pain relief, and I was so, up to today, I feel so proud with that decision. So I think the classes really helped with the preparation all the way to the kind of confidence I have as a mother now. Thank you.